This is my ticket. My World Cup ticket. The biggest football game. The biggest game in the whole world. It is torn. Torn in half. Two pieces. Two pieces that should be one. Still ain't. I did everything right. I put it under my pillow, the soft thing for my head. I wanted to keep it safe. But something surprising happened. Something I did not expect. Something I will never forget. Do you want to know what happened?
Then stay with me. This is my story. The day my tit torn in half, and the day my family stood together. My dad Michael, my mum Emma, my sister Emily, and me, Ben. Let me tell you everything.
It was a normal Saturday. Just a normal day. My family wanted to buy some new shoes, so we went to the big shopping mall in our city.
Stay close to me, Ben. This mall is very big today. Hold my hand tight.
I love the mall, but sometimes it feels too big, too loud, too many people.
Come on, Ben. Look at this shoe shop. Dad said we could get new shoes today.
One thing at a time, Ben. Shoes first. Then maybe a small toy. We will see.
Then I saw something. A big crowd. Bigger than any crowd I had seen before.
Mom, look! What is happening over there? So many people!
I do not know, Emily. Let's go and see. Carefully now, everyone stay together.
Dad lifted me up, just a little, so I could see. And then I saw it.
It was a contest, a World Cup contest. The mall was giving away real tickets, tickets to the biggest football game in the world.
World Cup tickets?
Real ones?
Dad, can we try?
Why not? Let's try our luck.
Fingers crossed, everyone. Fingers crossed. Don't worry, Ben. Maybe it's us. Maybe it's not. Either way, it's okay.
Other families won small prizes. A football, a team scarf, a cap. I clapped for them. I was happy for them.
Even if we do not win, Ben, we are together. That is the real prize.
Then came the big prize. The biggest prize of all. 4 tickets. World Cup tickets. For one lucky family.
And the winner is... the family right there. The family with the boy in the red shirt.
Red shirt? I was wearing a red shirt. I looked down. Yes! Red. My shirt was red.
And the winner of this year's contest is number 10, Benjamin Parker.
Oh my goodness! Yeah! Yes! We did it! Wow! It's us! Mom, it's us! We won!
Yes! Red. My shirt was red.
Oh my goodness! We really won!
It was us. It was really us. We won! We, W-O-N the tickets!
Fingers crossed.
You got this, Ben. Thanks, Emily.
Everyone was clapping for us. Clapping! For my family. I felt like I was flying. Like my feet were not touching the floor.
Here, Ben. You hold it. You hold the tickets.
I am so incredibly proud of you, my sweet boy.
My dad let me hold the tickets. Me. I was the one holding them. I felt so proud. So so special. So lucky.
All right, here we go. Open it, open it. Wow. We did it.
4 tickets. 1 for Dad, 1 for Mom, 1 for Emily, and 1 for me. I am going too. This is my ticket. My very own ticket. I will keep it safe. I promise. I promise myself.
I cannot believe it. The World Cup. I am going to tell all my friends.
Walk straight, Emily. You will bump into someone.
We did not even buy the shoes that day. We just talked about the World Cup. All the way home.
The game is in 3 days. 3 days. I counted them on my fingers every morning. 1 day, 2 days, then, finally, the night before the big day. Tomorrow is the big day, the World Cup game. I will see the players. I will hear the crowd. So many people together. All of them shouting with happiness. Tomorrow is the big day, the World Cup game. I will see the players. I will hear the crowd. So many people together. All of them shouting with happiness. I will sleep with my ticket. Right here, under my pillow, the soft place for my head at night. Nothing can happen to it here. Good night, ticket. Good night, World Cup.
Tomorrow we will see each other. Tomorrow everything will be perfect.
I need the toilet. Just quickly. I will come right back. Let me check my ticket. Just one look. No, no, no. My ticket. It is. It is. It is in 2 pieces. 2 pieces. Not 1. How did this happen?
I was so careful. I moved slowly. I thought slowly.
But I moved in my sleep. I moved too much. I turned too hard. And now, my ticket is broken. What do I do now? What can I do?
Ben, what is wrong?
Dad, my ticket? It tore. Look at it. Can we fix it? Is there any way?
I have tape. Sticky paper. It can hold things together.
Let me try, Ben.
Let me try.
It looks okay. It looks almost like before.
But Dad, will they let me in? The people at the gate. Will they say no? Will they send me away?
We will try, Ben. We will try together.
Ben, do not worry. Worrying is thinking about bad things that might happen. Worrying is thinking about bad things that might happen. We are going together. All of us. As a family.
Together. I want to go together. All of us. Dad, Mom, Emily, and me.
I was so careful. I did not mean for this to happen. Yes, sir. It tore. I am very sorry.
I slept with it under my pillow. I wanted to keep it safe. But it tore. I am sorry.
This ticket is taped.
Please. Please let me in.
The ticket number is clear. I can read it.
You may go in.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It is gone. I feel so light. I feel so happy. Have you ever lost something very, very important to you? Something you could not stop thinking about? Something that made your heart beat fast? Tell me your story. I want to read every single one. Thank you for sharing this day with me. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe. And join us again for more peaceful English stories. Goodbye, everyone. See you at the next game.